That one, you don't need to use it. Pigs make me sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I wonder. Yes. What? Ball, a swim. Achoo! Are you okay? Hold it from here. That's it. Turn the picture. I do not know. Achoo! Turn the picture again. I cannot stop sneezing. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be friends. He's so sad. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Look at pig with a helmet. Shoo! Goodbye, Gerald. Oop. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Pig is also my best friend. Achoo! The thermometer. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats makes you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? Yes, you're sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy. Great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end.